for a very beautiful and motivational assembly. We all came to know about Dhyanchand ji, one of the biggest and greatest sports person of the world. He was so skillful in his hockey that people used to say that his hockey stick was magical. उन्होंने कुछ उसमें जादू कर रखा है. And in one of the matches, he had not only exchanged the hockey stick for another hockey stick, but in one match he even played with the umbrella and still scored various goals and made his team win. You lose once, you should not lose your heart. Our little friends today recited beautiful lines, sang the beautiful song, delivered beautiful speech. If you were listening to them carefully, I'm sure you will go back to your classes with a lot of motivation. किसी ने कहा है, गिरते हैं से सवार ही मैदान जंग में, वो तिफल क्या चलेंगे जो घुटनों के बल चलते हैं. गर्दिश में परचम फहरा दो. अच्छे समय में हम सब अच्छे रहते हैं, हम मोटिवेटेड रहते हैं, लेकिन टारगेट क्या है कि मुश्किल जो घड़ी आए उसमें भी हम आगे बढ़ें, दिल छोटा ना करें. We should not lose heart when difficult times come. Rather, those difficult times should enable us to become stronger. As told to you earlier, the kite rises in the air against the wind. A boat and a ship moves forward with the opposite reaction of the water. So when difficult time comes, don't give up. Be hopeful, try again. I think that was the message of today's morning assembly. Congratulations to the new student council members. Because of personal reasons, I wasn't there, but I have conveyed my wishes to you all. I hope the new student council member will perform their duties and will enable the school to function smoothly. And I also hope that all other children will respect the student council members and will listen to their advices and suggestions whenever they give them. We are starting an ERP system where you all will be connected well, you all can see your marks, your parents can see your marks, your performance, which will be upgraded and updated by your class teachers and subject teachers from time to time. So I hope all of you have got your user IDs and passwords. Have you got them, children? Yes, sir. Wherever you haven't, please contact your class teachers. And I'm sure in the coming days, we all will become trained to use this ERP system properly. So, wishing you all once again happy time inside the classrooms. And I hope all the teachers are also listening. They are also motivated through these morning assemblies. And they also perform the task sincerely. They also come prepared to your classes and deliver their lessons in the best possible way. Thank you so much.